Popping my goons back. Right back to that credit game for the goons. You know who, you know what to do. Spontaneous Productions, Part 2. Back in effect. We live with the goons, live and direct. It's time to blast off. Crazy FICO scores going up. I need all my goons to blast off. We're gonna get this credit up. We're gonna get this bag up. A lot of goons want to know how to build credit crazy. And so I'm gonna give you some sauce straight like that. Look, in 3 months, my score has improved 84 points. Well worth it to me. And 10K, that's what he gotta say. Hey, look, man, credit strong, man. A lot of goons tapped into my previous video about credit strong. Creditstrong.com has changed. Okay, a lot of changes have went on at Credit Strong. So I'm gonna teach you going some sauce about Credit Strong that nobody got, right? Like we always do. So Credit Strong got new business. Okay, they got business. Okay, you got a EIN and an LLC. You can do Credit Strong for business, but we're not gonna talk about that. We're just gonna talk about Credit Strong for your personal account. All right. So I'm gonna teach you how to get big trade lines with Credit Strong. You get big trade lines, and these Credit Strong trade lines, they will boost your credit up. And you want to put big trade lines on your credit, all right? You put big trade lines on your credit, and you're gonna get big credit when you apply for credit, all right? So what you can do now with Credit Strong is you can get 6 trade lines, all right? You can get 6 trade lines. So they let you get 6. You can get 2 magnums, you can get 2 revolves, and you can get two business lines, right? That's 6 right there. Or you can mix it up. Like you can get like 1 install and 1 magnum and 2 revolves and 2 business, right? So what I did is I got 2 magnums. So magnums is the big boy lines, okay? You can get up to $30,000 installment loan, all right? $30,000, all right? So you want big credit lines, you need to have big trade lines on your file. So what you can do is go to Magnum, okay? You want to go to Credit Strong Magnum and get the big lines, all right? So they have different lines. They have, I believe, a $5,000 line. They have a $5,000 line. They got $15,000 line. They got $30,000 line, okay? There's no credit check. There's no hard pull. You just pretty much just apply and you get it. And that's how it works, right? So they got the $5,000 line and they got the $15,000 line. And they also got a $30,000 line. So what I did is I got the $30,000 line and I got the $15,000 line. So pull up creditstrong.com. So like I said, you can get up to 6 products, but only 2 on the business and then 4 on the personal. So you can have 2 Magnum accounts at one time. So what I did is I got 2 Magnums, right? So my FICO at a 718 right now. So my score has went up some, score went down. I had some credit issues. Some cards got closed out. I went negative on some cards, but I fixed my own credit back. So I got sauce. You goons need credit sweep sauce. Tap in for my exclusive credit sweep sauce. I get you a credit sweep in 7 days, all right? And it swept off like $58,000 of credit card debt off my own file, right? In like 7 days, right? So that sauce, $500 for that sauce. But now Credit Strong, and look, as you see, my score is in the 400, all right? So now that thing is right back in 718, only going up, and I haven't even added no authorized users yet, okay? So this is just off primaries. So you can get Credit Strong, you can get the $15,000 line, okay? It's $175 a month for the 15K loan. See, as you can see, Magnum 15K. All right, and then for the $30,000 line, it's $350 a month. All right, so you gotta pay $350 a month. So I'm giving you crazy sauce, and what you can do is just pay as long as you need it for a couple of months. Let it hit for 3 months. See, I got them hitting for 3 months, so I'm about to close these. I'm about to close these probably next month, and then by letting them close, it'll show a closed trade line of whatever, you know, the amount is of the loan, the installment loan. So it's like $3,000. That's like an auto loan. So basically, it's gonna look like I got an auto loan on my credit profile, and I closed it. Reports to all 3 credit bureaus, as you can see. Reports to Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. 3 on-time payments, as you can see. Boom, boom, boom. 3 payments reported. You heard? And so, yo, $350 each payment. $350, $350, $350. Now the money goes into a savings account. So there's the balance, $29,000. But the money goes into a savings account. So what you do is hit the facts, frequently asked questions. You have any questions? You know, where's my savings account? Unlocked. You know, they'll tell you once your loan is closed and paid off, your FDIC insured savings account will remain open and can be used at your own discretion. The funds can be requested on the 6th business day after the loan closure payoff. So basically, in 6 days, you can transfer the money out your Austin Bank savings account into whatever bank account you wish to and get your money back, you know, minus the interest, okay? So minus the interest, and it's really easy. All you got to do to close it, how can you close my account? You just call up the customer service, or you can just go to the chat. You know, they got the little help right here. Just go to help, boom, boom, boom. You can talk to the chat, and you can just close it over chat, all right? It's really easy to do. And then, like I said, it says 6 days, so basically in 7 days, you know, the money will be available to send it to your account. So that's how that works. So you can make I got $45,000 trade line, you know what I mean? So that's how we do that. See, 30K. Magnum, 30K, baby. So, and here's some more sauce is that what you can do, you know, and I had Credit Strong before I got to close the account, it was 5,000. So I had a Magnum account before, the old Magnum account, it was 5,000. So, you know, I closed that. That one I kept open for 25 months. So I had a video about that. You know, that video went crazy. You know, it's one of my most popular videos. You know, this one was $5,000. Okay. So, you know, 5K for this one. See, 5,000. And this one really helped me get a lot of credit. Okay. I'm just keeping it all the way real with you, like I always do. This one helped me get a lot of credit. So I would advise goons to pull up to Credit Strong. So I got a $45,000 trade line because I got the $30,000 plus I got the $15,000. So that's $45,000. So as you can see, it's $350 a month. So with the two together, it's $525 a month. So I pay $525 a month. And pretty much that's how that works. So I pay $525 a month, and then you can get Revolve. Revolve is a revolving credit. It's $1,000 line. You can get that. You can add that. You know. So you know, and then I got this one. You know, the 15K, as you can see, $15,000 Magnum. You know, boom, 15,000. So, you know, same thing, 3 on-time payments, and you want to keep these open for like 3 months. I'm giving you some sauce right here. Open these up for 3 months, all right? 3 months, and then go ahead and cancel. So, boom, boom, boom. I got these 2. I'm gonna probably cancel them next month, and then open them up again, and it's gonna keep showing it like I'm opening up and closing up. It's like I'm paying off, you know, $45,000. Like I bought. It looks like to the credit bureaus that I borrowed $45,000, okay, and I paid it back in 3 months. See, 1, 2, 3 on-time payments, and then I'm gonna close it for the next month. So it's gonna look like I borrowed $45,000 and paid it back 3 months. Pow! You know, you can't beat that. You know, so that's gonna give you, you know, some serious firepower on your credit profile. All right, so when you go apply for credit cards and apply for bank loans and whatnot, you know, it's gonna boost the score up, of course. You know, it's probably boost up, you know, 750 credit score, and then, you know, you got higher than 750 credit score, that's excellent credit. You start applying for credit cards and loans. So, and this is the sauce for Credit Strong. Just get the the big lines. So next time, what I'm probably gonna do is get 2 magnums. I'm making 60K. So I just kind of did this as an experiment to see how it's gonna work. So I got 2, a 15K and a 30K. And I talked to the rep. They said, yeah, you can get 2 60K magnums. So what I'll probably do next time is open up 2 of these 30Ks, and that'll be 60K, and just pay them back 1 month and close it in 1 month, And so that'll just add more meat to this credit score, and it looks like you borrowed, 30K, and you paid it back in a month. Or if you do the 15K, if your money is lower, then it's cool. It's still good meat, good power, straight sauce. I'm giving you gems like no other, like I always do. You already know. So man, mash that like, subscribe button right now. You heard? So that credit score can boost up. You get that FICO, and you get them bands, 100 racks credit. You heard? So you need that sauce, you need that game, you need them gems, you need that method. Holla at the one and only. You know who? Spontaneous Productions, Part 2. Till next time, my goons, we out. If you need that exclusive sauce, holler at me too. 500 exclusive sauce, baby. Credit sweep. Clean any credit profile in 5 days. 7 days, excuse me. Any credit profile. Get it all up out of there. All them negatives. So you can start getting approved. Easy money. Tap in. Let's go.